Put something.
Hi, my name's Kyle with Made in Nature, and we're out here sampling some of our fruit fusions today. We've got a Mediterranean fusion with mulberries, apricots, figs, and a little bit of cayenne. We've also got a superberry fusion and a apple cinnamon fusion. Everything's organic, USDA organic, and non-GMO project verified. We also paired up with Northwest kale chips just a few months ago, so you can find any of our kale chips in Whole Foods right now. Thanks for listening, and vote yes for 105.